Cynthia with AQ Lighting and Brian. Today we are going to talk about surface-mounted step lights, and the issues that our tech department have is the box that you're mounting to. There are multiple sizes, so this is a question that Brian's team gets asked repeatedly. So he's going to solve that problem for you and answer each one, kind of.
Okay, well, if you're watching the video, you're probably already on one of these pages in the future. Not right now, though. So we do have a multitude of 4-inch step lights, a whole family, whether it's eyebrows or louvers. We have open face. We have, this is a solid brass one, this is an aluminum one, but they're all essentially the same.
It's a nice size, it's a nice variety. You have different options of materials that you can purchase it in, which varies the quality and the price point. So they're available in aluminum, they're available in brass. So if it needs to be sort of bulletproof and last forever, brass is going to be the material you want. And what are all the finishes? You have a lot of finish options.
Bronze, rust, black, satin nickel, also raw brass, and white.
White for interiors, okay.
Yeah. So
that still is not what we're going to talk about today.
No. So specifically, we just wanted to show you the insides of it. If everybody get a peek at that right there, that's just a JC bi-pin socket. It's universal, so you go from 4 millimeters up to 6.35 millimeters. And here is one of the main questions. Where does the wire come out? Comes out at the 6 o'clock position. And this is usually approximately 16 inches long, this lead wire. So 16 inches comes out at the 6 o'clock position.
Quite a bit,
Okay. It's the same for all of them. So this is pretty much the same design for every single one of these. So they're universal that way. Okay, so the next main question is, quite often people wire these 120 volt, so they want to mount it on a box. And that is the main question. What box do they fit on? So just to give you an idea, this is actually, the diameter is 3 13/16. So it's not quite 4 inches. So that is kind of the key thing.
But in the industry term, they always refer to them as 4 inches. And you can see in front of Brian, there is a multitude of shapes and sizes, which is why you get the question all the time. Will this fit on the size?
What box,
yes.
Right? So there's a single game box. You can see from diagonal corners, that's over 4 inches. That's like 4 3/8. So we know this will not fit on a single game box.
You're going to see the box peeking out on the corners there.
Exactly. Okay? So it doesn't matter if it's plastic or metal. It's not going to fit over a single game box. There's something that's going to be poking out there. Okay, so let's do, this is a ceiling box. This is like a 3.5-inch 3.0 box here. This fits over it beautifully. So you put that on there, hides the entire box. So it fits over a round ceiling box, really nice. This is a 4-inch round ceiling box. Does not fit on this.
What size was this? This was a 3.0?
3-inch, 3.0.
Okay.
So that's a 4-inch, it almost fits inside it. Okay, octagon boxes, 3-inch, fits over that beautifully, has no problems. 4-inch, not so much. Okay.
Do you see, I mean, it's really 3 3/16 you said? So you're
13.
really 13/16. 13/16. So it's such a small amount, but it makes a big, big difference on installation.
Exactly.
So.
Oh, absolutely. So there's a 4-inch square box. Obviously, it would never fit on that box, but if you have a plaster ring on it or a mud ring, now if you have a 3.0 mud ring, now it would be able to cover that mud ring. As far as installation, it's really
This is actually a great little modification piece.
Sure.
So you can see a lot of people run into this exact situation if they're building a piece to modify.
So there's only 2 holes for mounting. Their diagonal position, and so they wouldn't really line up probably with the holes on your box. So you'd more than likely have to drill your own holes. So if you had to, if you knew which direction your holes were going, You can mark them on the back of the fixture, drill them out, and then just and then you'd be able to screw it on. So that would be how I would mount it to one of these boxes that way.
Okay, that's good to know.
So
So since this video is live, but it will also be on our website, and you can use it as a frame of reference. And obviously always call our tech department. You know, we want to make sure that you get the right recommendations for your applications and for the size and the scale.
yeah,
Well,
main thing, 3-0, 3-0 round.
so really
Always
go
better.
under. If
Yeah.
you go a little smaller, like if I was just in layman's terms, if I just go a little smaller, I'm safe.
Yes.
You know, rather than trying to do this. Are some of these just pre-existing, so then that's why you get asked the questions all
Yes.
the time? Okay. So that's what I would do. If you have something that has come across on one of your projects that you would like us to help you with, one, how to install or how to determine which is the right material, the right product for your application, send us a comment, and we'll respond to you, or call our 818-534-5300 and leave a message, and we'll be happy to answer your questions that way. But we are here to help. We're doing a whole series of how to install, how to select, how to decide which material's best. So we look forward to hearing and interacting with you.